In React, the root node refers to the DOM element where your entire React application, or a portion of it, gets rendered. This is the entry point where React attaches its component tree to the actual HTML DOM, allowing React to manage the UI and perform updates efficiently. Key concepts. Root node, DOM element. The root node is a standard DOM element, typically a div with an ID attribute, such as div ID equals root/div. This element is where your React components get rendered. React root, created with createRoot. When using React 18 or later, the createRoot function creates a React root object. This object is responsible for rendering your components into the root node, the actual DOM element. Example. Here's a basic example of a root node setup in a simple HTML file. HTML, root node in HTML. Doctype HTML. HTML lang equals n. Head. Meta char set equals UTF-8 /. Meta name equals viewport content equals width equals device width, initial scale equals 1.0 / title React app /title / head body div ID equals root /div script src equals index.js /script /body /html. In this example, the div ID equals root/div is the root node. React will render all components inside this div. JavaScript, rendering into the root node. Import React from React. Import React DOM from React DOM/client. Import app from ./app. / find the root DOM node. Const root element equals document.get element by ID, root. / create a React root and render the app. Const root equals React DOM.create root, root element. Root.render, app /. Explanation. HTML root node. In the HTML file, the div with the ID equals root is the placeholder where the React app will be injected. React root. In the JavaScript file, you use createRoot to create a React root, and then call the render method on it to render the app component, and its entire tree of child components, into the root DOM node. Important notes. Root node in React. The root node is crucial because it acts as the container where React takes over control from the static HTML. Once React attaches to the root node, it manages updates, re-renders, and dynamic UI changes. Document.get element by ID, root. This is how you reference the root node in JavaScript. It's important to make sure that this ID matches the one in your HTML file. Multiple React roots. It's possible to have multiple React root nodes in a single HTML page, rendering different parts of your UI independently into separate DOM elements. Multiple root nodes example. Body. Div ID equals header root/div. Div ID equals content root/div. /body. Import React from React. Import React DOM from React DOM/client. Import header from ./header. Import content from ./content. / create React roots for both elements. Const header root equals React DOM.create root, document.get element by ID, header root. Header root.render, header /. Const content root equals React DOM.create root, document.get element by ID, content root. Content root.render, content /. In this case, you have two root nodes, one for the header and another for the content, and you manage them separately. Conclusion. The root node is where React renders its component tree. In modern React 18+, you use create_root to render the component tree into this node. This entry point allows React to efficiently update the DOM and manage the user interface.